There's a belief out there that using wood or cutting down trees somehow has to be bad for the environment, when of course there's a whole range of science that actually tells us that using wood, particularly wood that comes from well-managed resources like the United States, is one of the most environmentally friendly decisions that we can make as consumers. It's a problem for the industry, but I would argue beyond that, it's a problem for the planet. In order to be environmentally conscious, in order to use this resource widely, it's important not just to use the one or two species that happen to be in fashion now, but it's important for us to use the woods and use the species that the forest provides. The American hardwood industry, the resource, the trees come from natural forests. They're not planted forests. So what exists in the forest because nature put it there. And one of the changes that we have seen over the years is a willingness amongst designers and ultimately amongst consumers to start to incorporate some of these, what were previously considered flaws or defects in the wood, but of course what we refer to as character marks in the wood, in order to bring that natural element into it. Because again, if we are going to cut down a tree and we are going to saw it into lumber, to do that responsibly, we need to use as much of that resource as possible.